Hello, my name is Paolo and today I will tell you everything you need to know about Videly before you actually buy the product. And I also have two really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Videly is, be careful with the site from where you are going to buy Videly. Do not download fake versions of the software because this can cause you serious problems and because Videly is sold only on the official site. To help you, I have left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. So what is Videly? Is it a software that really works? And the answer is yes, Videly works, and after many tests in several other channels that I have, the number of views of both channels and website increased a lot. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people are having great results with Videly, and even if you know absolutely nothing, it is totally possible to have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that some people have an easier time making it work than others, and that's normal. This is a bit obvious, but I'm saying this so that you can be realistic about expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Videly for 30 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, in order for Videly to work, you just copy and paste what the software indicates. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Videly from. Remember to buy it from the official website that I will leave in the description of the video. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Videly will make your channel or site pump and help you improve your life, and many other benefits that this software brings.